Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you all right. I am Saur Bhaskar. Today I am going to introduce you a very important information about a software which will helps you to get all actual and useful information about COVID-19 in all manners. So the name of the software is COVID Helper. After buying this software, you just need to upload and update information on your website and on your blogs or where you want to use this kind of information, as we know that media not gives us actual figure about COVID-19, but nowadays everyone around the world wants to know all actual information of coronavirus. So here, the vendor team will provide to you all actual information of COVID-19 around the world, day by day, in different manners like charts, graphs, articles, etc. And in same manners, you can upload this on your page. So after get this, no need to do more hard work to collect information of COVID-19 and no need to wants lots of time to create charts and graphs. And the main part is daily articles. Yes, by this software you will get lots of new articles which was totally different to others. And the best part is when you buy this product, automatically you donate some funds to needy people from vendors margin. And the second one is 3 awesome bonus. Okay friends, now I am going to show you all about the product is. Watch till end and subscribe and like my channel for more videos. As I tell you before, you automatically donate some funds for needy peoples. Vendor says, help raise funds for relief efforts by various charities by placing our accurate charts on your sites. Keep your viewers well informed with the current numbers of COVID-19 locally and around the world. Each chart that you place on your site will help to add donations to various charities in need of our help during this pandemic. Vendor will donate 50% of profit of the NGO, non-government organization of charity of your choice. The other 50% of vendor's profit will be paid to her staff who work hard to keep this data up to date. Or bright and easy to read charts allow you to display statistics in several different ways. You can also show country comparison with different variables. These charts allow you to display current information in a way that is easy to understand. Your viewers will appreciate it. Ask them to share with others. Now, the second part is how it works. First, choose the chart you want. Select the chart that you want from inside your admin panel. Choose from line charts, pie charts, and bar charts. This is also an option to choose a summary table with the country results of worldwide statistics. Second one is set the parameters of your chart. Each chart is displayed in a real view in the same way as you will see it on your website. For some charts, you can change the parameters like maximum width and the specific country. The system will automatically generate the embedded code. And the third one is paste the code to your article. Pasting the code to the article is similar to pasting image or other component. This option is available in the majority of HTML editors. When you preview the page or publish it, the embedded code will display the chart you have chosen. Fourth one is make your article public. Our charts will give real-time information. Your excellent articles will allow this information to be naturally shared. Next part is which chart you get. Summary chart show actual COVID situation worldwide or in a particular country. Total confirmed, total deaths, total recovered, total active, and country total. Single country statistics actually USA. Like for example USA, total confirmed, total deaths, total recovered, total active cases. And you can show country line chart. Depicts the situation in a particular country through a line chart. My country chart. Here you can see you can change the country name from here. All country names available here. Zoom in, zoom out the graph, and home page, cumulative states and daily changes. Confirmed line blue, deaths red, recovered green, and active orange. When you reach the line, one more article shown in the pop-up. As well as you can show comparison bar chart. Compare 10 countries based on their total figures. Comparison bars chart, left side total cases, and the horizontal line shows United States, Spain, Italy, like this. From the confirmed bar chart, you can change from here confirmed cases, active cases, deaths, and recovered. and you can show all summary by this chart. And the next is per million comparison bar chart. Compare 10 countries based on their population. Comparison bar chart like this, and you can change also here by this bar confirmed, active, recover and death cases. They will show automatically change the graph on your blog or website. Next is comparison pie chart. Compare 10 countries based on their total figures. Comparison pie chart shown here with colors and percentage. Also, you can here change confirmed, active, recovered and death cases. And the next one is comparison pie chart. Okay, get COVID helper and support charities. Confirmed, can change one more example of last one. Same here. Confirmed cases, active cases with country color code. And the next best part is you will get bonuses, 3 bonuses. Bonus 1, personal certificate of donation. Everybody who buys COVID helper will become a donor. Every donor gets from us a unique certificate of donation. The certificate can be verified on our website or you can print it on. Bonus 2, AI, article snipper. 10 languages. Do you need unique content? No matter if you write your own article, use or bonus article or copy an article from the internet, you will always get unique content with our AI snipper. It can spin in 10 different languages: English, Spanish, French, German, Italian, Russian, Czech, Slovak, Ukraine and Swedish. So you can become a dominant COVID information provider. The second bonus is totally free with this value $39 per month. And the third bonus is Instant Blog Profits ebook. Find everything you need to start blogging successfully. This book will teach you how to install and customize a blog, which platform to use, what topic the blog should be about, what the idea, length of a blog post is, how to add videos and images for more engagement, how to profit from your blog and much more. Value $17. Okay, you can buy all this product with all 3 bonus only $39 from the sales page, which I will give in my description. And by this, vendor offers 30 days money back guarantees. Vendor says he is 100% confident that you will love saving tons of time and money by using or GoLoo tools. If you do not love it for any reason, I offer a full 30-day no question asked money back guarantee. This means that literally all the risk is on me. Why offer 30-day money back guarantee? Because I am so certain that this will be the best purchase you make this year. I am willing to put my money down that you will be thrilled. And the last part is frequently asked questions. You can pause and read all these facts provided by vendor, or when you go to the sales page as link given in my description, you will go to the sales page and you can also read from there all facts. Okay friends, thanks to watch my video till end. Now go to description and touch on the link I am given in description. Go to the sales page and hurry up, purchase this software for get more traffic on your website and for making your new COVID helper channel and where you want to use this information. Thank you.